Okay, this is my motherboard, Intel Atom BLKD 2700. So the problem here is no video output or no signal, and there's no beep on the motherboard. So here is the AVR, and the white wire is connected to the power supply of my CPU. This one is the HDMI cable connected to the monitor. This one goes to the mouse, and this one is to the motherboard and to my keyboard. Okay. Now I'm gonna switch on my CPU. Let's see. Oh, wait. There goes the light indicator of the motherboard, and then there's the power switch. Okay. The fan turns on, the keyboard turns on, the mouse is on, all functioning. The hard drive is on, it's good. The CD-ROM, okay, it's functioning. And yes, but there is no video output. Okay. HDMI cable. Okay. Some of my friends said that maybe my HDMI cable is the problem. So I'm gonna transfer this HDMI cable to my sister's laptop. There's the HDMI port. Now I'm gonna plug in the HDMI cable. And there it goes. There's a video output for the laptop, from laptop to the monitor. So I guess it's not the HDMI cable. That's it. um, Now I'm gonna put it back to my CPU. There is no video output from my CPU. So guys, I need your help.